What's up guys? In this video I am sharing the unboxing and build of a Yeti SB5 Turk mountain bike. My friend bought this bike from Competitive Cyclists, so keep on watching till the end to see the complete bike. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you. So there you have it guys. Hope you liked the video and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support me and get notified for future videos. Keep on spinning, be safe, and have fun riding. Till next time.